Hey everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a package here from Penzy Spices that I thought I would open with you. I don't know if you have seen a couple of my videos that I've done hauls on with this company. They are really, really good. They have some really good spices that I have found I think are just as inexpensive or even cheaper than some of the spices I can get at the drugstore or at the grocery store. Now, if you go to the Dollar Tree and get your spices there, you're not going to be able to get them as inexpensive there. However, I will say that sometimes you get what you pay for at some of those, and sometimes not. I mean, sometimes spices are fabulous from the Dollar Tree, but I have found that some of the more unique spices either aren't available or maybe aren't as good, and I have had no problems with Penzy's. So I thought I would show you guys what I got. And they always send a bumper sticker. Love people, cook them tasty food. It's in every box that I think I've gotten from them. And I will go over how much I spent on each one. Now these were free. There's a sample of Mural of Fate flavor, salt-free spice. It blends dozens of spices and herbs, creating a wall, hence mural of flavors so delicious there's no need to add salt. So that sounds good. And then here is some curry, the Now curry. So fabulous. And I don't even remember what I got. They package things very well. I got some seasoned salt. I have not tried this yet from them, but I love seasoned salt. And this was $2.95. So see, it's really not that expensive. I'm gonna see if I can. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's so good. Salt, sugar, oregano, turmeric, paprika, garlic, spice, I can't even say it. Extractives, including, I don't know, paprika, salt, black pepper, celery, rosemary, and thyme. It is very good. And then I got some Cajun seasoning just because I needed some more of that. And this was $2. And then I want to make some desserts for my family, and we love apples, and I thought that this would be really good on baked apples. And this was apple pie spice, and it is $3.95. Oh, it smells amazing. Use 1 to 2 teaspoons for a 9-inch pie. Great for banana bread, coffee cake, and muffins. Oh, that sounds good. Cinnamon, like 2 different kinds of cinnamon, nutmeg, mace, and cloves. Oh, it smells so good. And then I also got a regular pie spice, and this was $3.95. And I think I got this because I was like, what is pie spice? I mean, I've heard of apple pie spice, and it's quite similar. Cinnamon, vanilla sugar, mace, ginger, nutmeg, anise seed, and clove. So they are very similar. Just from the smell, I don't know if you'd need both, but you know, I thought I'd give it a try. And then I have pumpkin pie spice, which is another favorite. And this was $6.95 for this jar, but this is a 2-ounce jar. Oh, that smells amazing. Amazing. Pumpkin pie, but don't stop there. This is an all-purpose baking spice, perfect for other fruit pies and banana or zucchini bread, carrot cake, muffins of all kinds, and coffee cake. Oh, yum. And it even says to sprinkle on French toast and oatmeal. And I do that with pumpkin pie a lot. I will use it in my oatmeal. We like it on our pancakes or in our pancakes. It's so good. So that's yummy. And then I have this little mini gift set, which is the Joy of Cinnamon. This is a really cute box that I can use to send to my daughter. And it has Vietnamese cinnamon in it. This was on special. This was $6.95 for all 3 of those. I'm going to keep this box over there for her. And it has cinnamon sugar, 3.8 ounces of cinnamon sugar. Oh, it smells fabulous. On some French toast, or just some toast. Vietnamese cinnamon and Penzy cinnamon. So I don't really know what the difference is. That smells amazing. That's the Vietnamese cinnamon. And that smells amazing too. So let's see, what do they say? This is the highest quality cinnamon available in America today. Strong, flavorful, and sweet. Great for cinnamon rolls, coffee cake. When baking, use 2/3 of what the recipe calls for. Great for adding to coffee and hot chocolate. Oh, that sounds good. That's the Vietnamese cinnamon. And 2 calories, 0 carbs, 0 protein. And then this, the regular Penzy cinnamon. Now you can have it all. Just the right mix of our 4 fabulous cinnamons to bring the best of each to everything you bake. Put the shaker right on the table. And this has China cinnamon, Vietnamese cinnamon, Cortege cinnamon, and Ceylon cinnamon. I don't know, but hey, I got them now, don't I? And then I also have this awesome box called the Soul. It's the Heart and Soul box. This was $35, but look what you get. You get lots of fun things. So let's check this out. Oh, and I didn't even go through these. So here are tasty tips for the Penzy cinnamon, and it gives us a couple recipes. And the Vietnamese cinnamon and cinnamon sugar, and then tasty tips for Joy. That's fun. And here is a Galena Street chicken and rib rub. I can't even get them all out. I might have to use a helper. Penzy cinnamon, that's funny. And it looks like this one's leaking just a little bit. Since I already have that, that's why I said it's funny. Seasoned pepper, and it's called Florida. That's interesting. Brush chicken breast, fish fillet, or veal cutlets with a bit of vegetable oil. Sprinkle on seasoning, 1 to 2 teaspoons per pound. Dust with a bit of flour, then saute in a lightly oiled pan. Black pepper, citric acid, lemon peel, garlic, orange peel, and onion. That does sound like Florida. I want to smell it. Oh, it's like lemon pepper, but it's so good. Oh, I love it. This one is Italian herb mix. Oh, it's perfect. Smells just like a pizza joint. Galena Street. Let's smell this one. I don't know why I didn't. That doesn't have much of a smell. Oh yeah, now it does. Huh, it smells like kind of, not really barbecue-y. What's in this? Maybe it's the paprika that I'm smelling. I don't know. It smells okay. It's not like, oh, this is fabulous. There's a little heart and soul pen. I'll probably just leave that in the middle here, and I think I'll probably find something to put in here for one of my kids. This is the one that's open. You can even see that it's open. This is adobo seasoning. I don't even know what that is besides a mess. Wow, it smells weird. Oh, I think I'll put it in here. It smells kind of like a spice I have smelled at an Indian restaurant. I could be wrong, but that's what I'm kind of smelling. So I don't know if that's something that they use in India. I will read about it here as soon as I get this kind of cleaned up. Well, I'll just start here with this one. Let me put the lid on it. Okay, use half to 1 teaspoon for chicken, fish, or pork. Great for the grill. Just rub with oil and sprinkle with lime juice before spicing. Onion, garlic, black pepper, Mexican oregano, cumin, and cayenne pepper. So I don't know, but it certainly smells like something I've had before. Maybe I'm thinking of the wrong place. This one is the Cajun Seasoning. Now, do I already have some of that? I do, so I'm going to leave this one unopened. This one is the Now Curry, and since I have a sample of that, I'm not going to open this one yet. And this one is Ozark style seasoning. Use 1 to 2 teaspoons per pound on chicken, fish, or pork. And the ingredients are salt, pepper, garlic, thyme, sage, paprika, mustard, ancho. So that's adobo. Okay. Celery, cayenne, dill weed, dill seed, caraway, allspice, ginger, cardamom, bay leaf, mace, cassia, savory, and cloves. It's got a lot of different things in it. Wow, and it smells good. It smells spicy. I might see if I can try it a little bit. Ooh, it is a little spicy. And it's salty. Oh, that's good. Oh, you know what I think that would be good on? Popcorn. It's a little spicy, like my mouth is burning right now. Woo. It's a little spicier than I prefer, so I would not use it strong, but I would certainly use it. Oh, it's really good. So this is exciting. I don't know that I'm going to put them in here because I think I'm going to keep this out so I can send this to one of my kids. I keep saying Katie, but you know what? Alex is going to be going to school in the fall. I need to save some of my fun little ideas for him too. So maybe he'll get this one and she'll get the other one or something. And I can put little things in here. That'd be fun. All right, I'm going to put that over there. And that is my spice haul. And I think I done pretty good. I like it. I love having a choice of things when I'm cooking. And I'm not kidding. This seasoned salt is amazing. And I love seasoned salt. So that's awesome. And I'm sure the cinnamon is great. Woo! And that, whatever I had, was very spicy. Now I do have a couple of extras here. I have an extra Cajun and an extra Penzy cinnamon. I might have to do a giveaway soon, so maybe I will include those in that. Just saying. What do you guys think? Oh, goodness, I just needed to smell it again. Okay, so that's that. Thanks, guys, for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.